studying a postgrad course at USW. It's helped me step outside of my comfort zone. It's helped me learn new skills. It's just been a really positive experience. Here at Beicio Cymru, I'm endurance coach, so I essentially look after all our elite cyclists from the age of 17 upwards. Any one week I might work with a rider going to national championships, a European champion, working with an athlete to help them fulfill their ambitions of being successful in sport. It's really fulfilling. When I started coaching as a profession, I wasn't really bothered about learning and studying. I thought I've kind of reached the limit of what I could achieve in coaching badges. So I'm doing a postgraduate course in sport coaching and performance. What I really loved about the course was the flexibility that it gave me. I've got a busy job, a busy family life, 2 young kids, and I've managed to balance everything and get the work done. Things that the course has really offered me is another perspective, another way of thinking about why I do things as a coach. Hopefully some of the athletes that I coach have really benefited from it as well. The course has given me the skills to move on in my career and to make that next step, to help coach Olympians. That would be the big goal for me as a coach. If you're thinking about studying a postgrad course at USW, if you're willing to learn and you want to just develop in your career and see where you can get to, go for it.